We basically try to have the kids do whatever they want while still staying safe, and I've learned more from them than they have learned from me. I feel like some of our kids have like ADD and stuff, and it's less structured here. It's not like school or anything. We try and stress that it's more just you do your own thing and we'll guide you. Yeah, it's an alternate form of learning kind of thing. It's very art-based as well, which is what I like about it.
I like nature camp because you can do whatever you want to do.
You can mess with nature.
Instead of counselors saying, okay, we do this today, you would be able to choose your activity and have the freedom to be as creative as you want.
Alice, cameras, 5 humps. Alice, cameras, 5 humps. Alice, cameras, 5 humps. So go, Alice, go, boom, boom, boom. Alice, cameras, 4 humps. Alice, cameras, 4 humps. Alice, cameras, 4 humps. So go, Alice, go, boom, boom, boom. Alice, cameras, 3 humps.
We write in our journals every day. We take all-day hikes throughout the woods. Yeah, we try and let them really just find themselves and what they're really into.
We're making sporks right now, or foods. Always carve away like this. And if someone's coming by, just stop carving, because the pieces you're carving off sometimes can fly really far and they could hit your face.
We're making sand candles today. We're gonna pour the wax into the holes.
All you do is pour some wax.
Yeah, we try and let them explore and try to get to know one another and to really just hang out and be a kid.